Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. We are live again. 1 o'clock UK time, and another countdown for hour is starting. We are on the 1 minute time frame. We had some more TPs, as you can see, and looking forward to that session again. Let's see what New York session brings to us. It's still pushing up. We hope to stay on that trend now. We will be live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. UK time. If you want to ask any questions about signals, about copy trading, here's the place to be. Tom will be joining us soon. I still have my target on 48. Just waiting for that. And is at break even like I teach you today. That means I already booked some profits. I'm waiting for get to that point. If it doesn't get to that point, the only worst case scenario that will come to my break even though I booked some profit already, that means I will not lose anything. That is the skills that I want you to learn. When you have the money on the table, book it, and then you let the runner do the hard lift or heavy lift. If you have any questions, please do let me know. And if you want to get started with the signals of the copy trading, just scan the code, answer a few questions, and we'll be in touch with you. Last signal was pushing up as well, and today so far we reached 35 TPs. If you start early morning today, you should have those results if you're copying all the signals. I will show you some results from today. As you can see, a lot of buys today and £42 on that account. Little wins adding up. That's the main thing. Consistency. Even if you can see on that account 0.01 and plenty of buys there. But as you can see, everything adds up. Consistency, resilience is the key. Profit on that account, even though you can see a very small lot sizes, £89 on that account so far. $33 in profit on that account. Cracking mornings, amazing mornings for that person as well, that member. 189. $400 on that one. That is from yesterday results. I will share more results as soon as the members start to share with us. I will put here on the group. You can see what's possible every day if you are resilient and have the consistency. And if you are a member and you want to jump on live with us, let me know. I can send you a link and you can be with us live. To get started is simple. Just scan the QR code and you will be able to fill a form with some questions and we will get back to you as soon as we can. As you can see, I told you today about be consistent and checking that result. £314 and was only 7 a.m. on the morning. And that means signals today on morning was just great. We have Khan on the studio now.
Hey, how you doing?
Hello, Khan. Oh, great. Thank you. And you?
I'm okay.
That's great.
I'm okay. Just been a hectic day.
I know you didn't stop all day.
What is that going? Yeah, it's been just been doing some more questions for bank and all the rest of it. Hence, I was late.
That's good. Don't worry.
My apologies for that.
don't worry.
What an afternoon! What's put the market? Why did it drop so much? Why did it rise so much?
Yeah, but like I said, if you start on the morning, you can see the results straight away. It's just crazy. Some people 7 a.m. more than £300.
Wow.
And the lot size was not massive. It's 0.10.
Yeah.
As you can see, is the resilience and consistency. And if you show up every day, that is the results you can expect.
That's the key, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is the key. That you have just got to keep turning up every single day.
Yeah.
And if you don't, you know what? That's what happens. Let me just grab a charger.
Yeah.
So have you been trading?
Sorry?
Have you been trading yourself?
No, I just did on the morning session, and I hold some from yesterday. That's it.
Yeah.
And just waiting for the 48 today. If it doesn't reach 48, that means I will be out at break even. But that will be a plus. I already reached my target.
So 4,800 is a golden thing for you, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Brilliant. That's fantastic. Terrific. Okay, we're charging. What the hell? That was the strangest noise that went by my hotel. Maybe it was a jet or something. It sounded like an airplane.
Oh,
wow. Okay, let's see. We might have some excitement in Dubai. All right, I'm going to
don't worry. No. I hope so not. Finger crossed.
Yeah, it was like weird, a whooshing noise. Wowzer. Let's see, right?
That's it.
Yeah. Nothing boring around here these days at this moment in time. So, what the results looking like? What are people reporting?
That was showing to everyone. As you can see today, one of the members, that's from today, 7 a.m. on the morning, already £314.
Brilliant.
Because the way I was talking on the morning, great trading session on the morning. That is where sometimes before 9 a.m. you can be out of the market.
Yeah. Yes, you can, can't you?
And then we had the boost from yesterday. If you hold the trades from yesterday as well, massive pips there.
Yeah.
Let's see more results.
Yeah.
Another one, 8:30 on the morning, 105 pounds.
Yeah.
And another one today as well. Trading so far, as you can see, the lot size, they are not massive as well. And that is the resilience and consistency we're talking about. And sometimes they are not big profits because people are still starting 0.01. But as you can see, profits, £42.
Yeah. It's about learning. I'm going to. Oh my God! 6 jets. 6 jets flying over.
Oh wow!
Oh.
You still have some days there. Finger crossed.
Yeah. No, I've not seen that before. I'll try and film them next time they go by.
Okay, you show us live.
Yeah, I will. Wow, that was. I hope they're just cruising around.
Just supervising, yeah.
Yeah. I hope they're just cruising around.
No, it's not.
Goodness. Yeah. Goodness me. Very strange. Yeah. Very, very strange protest. But look, trading, right? And we've already seen how trading is affected.
Yeah. We have been
by what? Yeah. By what's going on in the world. Yeah. And how things are being affected. And it's not easy, right?
Yeah, it's not easy. But the only thing we can do is carry on. It's not stopping, I think so.
Yeah.
There is the skill sets that you're building, the mindset you're building is just keep doing it.
Yeah, definitely.
And adapt. I think so, to survive. I think so situations like that teach you the human being is done to adapt. Because otherwise,
God, yes.
It's like in any kind of business. If you struggle, sometimes you need to keep pushing. You don't stop.
Yeah.
Because when you stop is where everything stops as well.
100%.
It's the mindset in trading and in life.
Yeah, 100% Mateus. And at the same time, you know what? Makes you think what's going on in the
Yeah.
world,
Yeah,
right?
absolutely.
You know, and sometimes it's scary stuff,
It is.
like we see just now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it is.
Like I said, I will definitely capture those things if I see them again.
That's it. Let me show. I'm
Wow.
having some questions from members.
Okay.
They want
What you
to
got?
start with the cop trading. I will tell them to jump with us. We can explain to them.
Yeah. Definitely.
Have more questions.
Yeah. Well, copy trading and all of those things are very interesting, aren't they? Yeah.
Absolutely.
You know, it's a done for you system, right? I'm just thinking, can I hear them again? Yeah, which will be like, wow, be scary stuff. Goodness me.
Just more few days for you there, isn't it?
Yeah, we fly back on Friday evening.
Okay.
Yeah. We've not seen anything like it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Since we've been here.
I didn't see anything on the news.
No, haven't seen anything.
Trump is not doing anything silly at the moment. Let's see.
Yeah. Interesting though.
Yeah.
Interesting all the same, my friend. Yeah.
Okay, we will start to see more movements. I hope so now.
What the signals doing?
The signals was amazing today. We had only, I think so, one stop loss, a tiny stop loss, like 10 pips or something like that.
Yeah.
Other than that, 35 TPs already.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's phenomenal, right?
It is. It's just showing if you keep doing that. Let me
Was there some news that came out, or what was the drop? What was the cause of that? Because the market was rising beautifully.
I'm not sure. We didn't have any major news. We will have one now, 1:30.
Right. Is there any geopolitical news in terms of is TradingView saying anything? Has something happened?
No.
Because they have a panel, don't they, for news?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me put that.
Have you seen anything there?
No.
Wow. So, because normally it's something major that causes, such a hefty drop.
No, we don't. We didn't have anything on TradingView. I use Forex Factory as well. We didn't have any major news as well. We'll have one now. That will be 1:30.
Well, let's see what goes, right?
Yeah, but as you can see, 35 TPs already today.
Yeah, and that's the main thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is to continue with your success.
Yeah, and the holding target, as you can see here, is my target. My first one is 47.80.
Yeah.
That's for the runners. If you're keeping some trades open.
Okay, 47.80.
47.80, 47.90, and 48. 48 is mine.
Okay.
And if it's still on that range, at some point we'll go up, but we just need to be patient.
Well, that's patience is the key, isn't it? As always.
It is, yeah.
Yeah. If you can have that, you cannot lose.
Yeah. And Brazilians, keep doing it.
Did you say Brazilians or Brazilians?
Brazilians. A Brazilian is my people, yeah. Like a Brazilian.
Yeah.
For those who doesn't know, Brazilian. I'm born in Brazil, but I lived many years in Spain.
Yes.
That's if you find difficult my accents time to time, bear with me.
Nothing wrong with your accent, Mateus.
If you can understand, that is the main goal.
Yes. Indeed. That is the main goal. And you know what? I think if you try a little bit of effort, yeah.
Yeah.
So we got prepare for a buy, new signal, entry at 47.64 to 47.58. Right?
Stop loss. Yeah, is there now.
Yeah, market's still coming down.
Yeah.
So be careful, by the way, when you see these. Obviously, our trading team is seeing something different. But if the market is continuing to come down, then just be careful about taking those entries. Yeah,
Just be patient for the best entry as well.
Yeah. Because it's you don't need to take every entry.
Yeah, and if you make the good call in the morning, you're done for the day. You don't need to keep doing that.
Yeah.
You can do
Well,
it.
that's the other thing, isn't it? Yeah.
For practicing.
Yeah, absolutely. Because the market of the last couple of hours has been all over the place since we signed off, right?
Yeah.
It's been absolutely crazy. And something's causing it to do this. We don't quite know. And it doesn't really matter.
But as you can see on that entry, straight away, if you enter on that zone 62, you are already in TP1. Straight away.
Yeah. So you could have already had some decent profit, right?
Yeah. And then you learn the skill how to protect that. If you have a good entry, you can put stop loss on break even, book some profits, and keep that running.
Yes, indeed. And that can really work for you, right?
Yeah. But then do all the time the same.
Well, that's the discipline, isn't it? Of remembering that every time you do something, do exactly the same the next time.
That's it.
Yeah.
And as you can see,
otherwise,
we have live updates all the time.
Yes.
And if the trader goes away, he will tell you he's going away as well. That means you will not have updates straight away.
Yeah. So the market has gone to virtually 4,800. Yeah. And it's now down to 47.66.
Yeah, we nearly reached 48. Nearly.
Yeah. It was almost there, wasn't it?
Yes, 47.96, nearly 97.
Yes, indeed. And didn't quite make it.
No. Let's see what the news will help to push or not. Another 5 minutes. Some news will move the market exponentially. Some of the news will just stay stable as well. But when you have red folders, if you're a beginner, you need to respect that. And if you're not a beginner, you need to respect it as well. You cannot skip those red folders.
No. They're there for a reason, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. I want to take you out of my AirPods. Because there may be something going on locally.
Yeah, just keep one eye.
Right. That I'm hearing. Yeah. I was on the balcony earlier, just before I called.
Okay.
Which would have been like spectacular to film those jets. Yeah. Yeah, there's like 6 of them.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's going up. Wow. The news is there. And we are on TP2.
Oh, fantastic. That's what we like to see, right? Look at that market.
Yeah, TP2 is the one I try to hold. And
Yeah.
even if you put a break even here, you are on TP2 now, nearly on TP2.
Well, that's
That
brilliant,
means-
isn't it?
Yeah, that means then you can book some profits, nice profits,
Yes.
and let
Yes.
the runner run.
Do its work.
That's it.
Yeah, let the runner do its work, right? And when do you think about removing the runner?
Then you just look at the big picture and you see those points like the trader was saying here, 47.8, 47.90. It's depends how much you have left. Sometimes you can have like 0.10 left if you have big lot size, but sometimes you have only 0.02. Then it's no point to hold too much. You can like just book some profits.
Yes.
But if you have a decent lot size and you book some profits already, and you still have the runners, you can book every 100 pips. You can book some.
Yes. Yeah.
Every 200. But as soon as you have that on your mind, do always the same.
Yeah.
If you
Since we signed off, huge movement, right?
Yeah. 71, nearly TP2.
Yeah, 71. Is that TP2?
Yeah,
Fantastic.
TP2, yeah. We just reached it.
Yeah, absolutely fantastic.
And sometimes you can be 10 pips away from the target. They will call that TP2. That means you can book profits as well. Just bear in mind those things.
Yep. Well, that's an interesting one, isn't it? Because what happens is that you can get caught up, can't you?
Yeah. If you are still waiting for that.
Yeah.
I think so. 10 pips away from TP is a good point to book, because we can always retrace, and then break even is not like when you have the TP on your hand is not a good thing to have a break even, you know?
Yeah. I always think that we get hung up on those things.
Yeah,
for nothing.
you're waiting for 5 pips or 10 pips, and then look, the price is coming back now.
Yeah.
And now we have a news as well, could move the market a little bit.
What's the news? What we having?
We have the PPI, I think so. I saw before on the morning. No, PPI today.
Okay. And what does PPI mean? Can you explain that to people that don't know, don't understand?
If you go on Forex Factory, that is the thing we showed yesterday.
Yeah.
You can see straight away what PPI is, and the source of it is coming from is the Bureau of Labor Statistics.
Bureau of Labor, okay.
Yeah, then you can see the measures, you can see the usual effect on the market. As you can see, it's spiking up now.
Yeah. And
then you can see the next release is once a month. They release that news.
Yeah.
And the next expectation is the 13th of May.
Right.
And then you can see the sources, the percentages, and all those things.
Yeah.
And then you just compare and you can see straight away if you are having updates about the news in Forex. That's a good way to do some research as well on the news.
Okay.
And then always when you have red folders or orange folders or something major on the market, you will receive some updates. I have on my phone, and that helps because then you can like really start to understand what's going on behind every news.
Yeah, we talked about this yesterday, I think, didn't we? Because there's definitely an education to be gained from doing what you're doing.
Yeah.
Right? You can't just press the button. Yeah,
no, it's good for have the overview of it, and when you learn how to press the button, then you have the next step, understand
Mhm.
why you press the button. But the first
Yeah.
step, I think so, the first month, the first 3 months, if you stick with learning how to press the button properly, that is the main goal.
Yeah.
And then things like that you can understand over the time. We are
Definitely.
going to 3. Look, that
Yeah,
spike.
yeah. It's really, really motoring, isn't it?
Yeah, we had
Down a little
more
bit.
than 1 TP3 today. That was amazing.
Mhm. Yeah. Yeah, no, incredible. Absolutely incredible. But the market is the market, right?
Yeah, you need to respect.
100%. That's what it's all about, isn't it?
Yeah, take your piece of cake every day and go away.
Great advice, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, take your piece of cake and go away, right? Do you eat the cake or do you just keep it?
You spend that cake.
Buy
Don't
more
eat
cake.
the cake every day, then you will have diabetes. You just spend
Like
that
it.
cake.
Yeah, don't eat too much cake, right?
No.
Yeah, we have something called high tea here, where we're staying, and you know they bring you lots of little cakes, so you think like, oh god, I'll take this little bit and I'll take this little bit. It's just it's gluttony, really. It's terrible. In terms of how much you end up eating. We always try and go for a walk, always try and just limit those things, but
Yeah.
it's so tough. It's so tough limiting that, right? Because there's so much good food and so much good hospitality.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's difficult. Yeah, but don't eat too much cake because you'll get, like you said, you get diabetes, right?
But that's you are on holiday. You can do that. It's a work holiday, but it's not forever. You don't do that
No.
every day.
No. I'm looking forward to getting home, actually.
It's nearly 1 month now, isn't it?
Yeah. So we did 3 weeks, then we came home for just a day. So we were kind of gone within 48 hours. But it is what it is, and sometimes it's not always holiday.
Yeah.
It's work as well. So I had a
Yeah.
lot of work to do in India.
And
I had
then
a lot
you
of
still
work-
have doing calls and things like that. So you didn't stop anyway.
Well, it doesn't stop, does it? Right?
Yeah.
But then it's a case of loving what you do.
Because then you feel you're not working. Look, TP3.
Yeah. Easy.
Yeah, no, it's
Easy.
on. Yeah. And then on that point, you have TP open. That means if you reach TP3 and you didn't book any profits, you're leaving
Yeah.
money on the table. Just book profits now. And
Yes.
you can book 70 to 80% because we never know if that market will retrace.
Mm-hmm.
And then you leave the runners to do the rest of the work for you.
Yes.
And move the stop loss to break even. That means you can go away now, close everything, and you will not lose money.
You're done for the day, aren't you?
Yeah. 1 TP3 depends on the lot size that you have, on the entry points you have. You're done for the day. You don't need to keep chasing because then is the risk you have.
Yeah. And the market goes up and it always retraces a little bit.
It is, yeah. And
Right.
but sometimes you are lucky you have those big spikes or big drops.
Yeah. Absolutely.
And if you're happy to be on there and without TPs, it's okay.
Yeah.
If you have break even.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Interesting times. Every day is different in the market.
Yeah.
Yeah. Every day is different. Every time I hear this whoosh, I'm thinking like, are there jets up there?
Off.
Right. So look, it's coming back again now, the market coming down again.
Yeah, as you can see, look, I'm securing partial profits here. Stop
Yeah.
loss is set to be at 47.63, and
Yeah.
I will target That means he's targeting all those runners,
Yeah.
47.80, 47.90, 48, and the top one is 57.
Yes.
But that is a long-term target.
That could be months away.
Yeah. Let's target 47.80, 47.90, 48. That is more.
Well, that could be done quite easily today, couldn't it, this afternoon?
Yeah, if the markets keep pushing, we will reach those targets.
Mm-hmm.
But even though now you have the stop loss at PE, you protect.
Yes. Yeah, very important, right? So we've got a signal now.
No, it's just update on the last signal, the sniper that we had.
Yeah. Yeah. So we still don't know what caused that dip, right? Because it was going up beautifully, and we thought it would hit 4,800.
I will do some research. Let's see.
Yeah, and then all of a sudden it was a 200-300 pip drop. All of a sudden, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you have some abbreviations sometimes as well. As you can see here, he's putting another sniper entry on this test book.
Yeah.
IOF setup. IOF is the style that we are trading. We are not trading like retailers. We're trading institutional order flows. It's the way the banks are trading.
Mm-hmm.
That's why the signals are so successful.
Yes. Yes. It's institutional order flows, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look, here she comes again. Right?
That's it.
And this could be the push. You don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's see on the 1 hour.
Yeah.
Where we are now. Big drop on the 1 hour, and now it's pushing back, as you can see.
Yeah, huge drop. Yeah, huge drop on the 1 hour. But what do you do, right?
Yeah, you just need to respect the market. 51, 61, that's 100 pips.
Yeah.
71, another 100 pips. It's nearly 300 pips.
Wow. Interesting times, huh?
It is, yeah.
Yeah. And like I said, those jets weren't flying over because they're doing some kind of display, right? You know, there's a reason they're up in the air. And it suddenly gets real, doesn't it? Which part of the world you're in?
Yeah, it could be scary, but it is the risky, you know. It's like you said, it's the risk in life.
You have to live.
You have to live, otherwise. I remember COVID times, the same. You have to live.
They were scary times, weren't they?
Yeah.
Right? You know, we didn't know how things were going to go, but we're still here.
Yeah.
I think human beings are very resilient, right?
Yeah. And
right,
we are that.
Yeah. Is that the 1 minute?
Yeah,
those
1 minute.
I mean, look at that. The last 4 or 5 minutes, look where it's gone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me know if you want any special candle we put here.
No, I'm just looking and I'm just admiring as to what's going on with the market and the beauty of it is. Yeah. So, and what it represents.
Yeah.
Yeah, and to be honest with you, the fortunes that are made and lost.
In a blink of seconds, sometimes it's.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah.
Because we are on the buy, we make some money, but the people are in selling, they lost some money. It's always like that.
Yeah.
That is just the probability where you are most of the time, and that's it.
Yes.
me see.
So just had a friend of mine message me back saying he's back in Dubai. And when do you want to meet? Which is always interesting, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's see what he has to say. So I've got a lot of friends that have settled here.
That's good.
Yeah. Went to dinner at one of our family friends the other day. Really, really smart house. But you know something?
Yeah.
So obviously different parts of the world, property prices are different, right?
Yeah.
But the rent was like 200k a year.
Wow.
GBP.
Wow.
And it was probably, a £4 or £5 million house,
Wow.
right, in a private gated community.
Wow.
And so that was
Different
interesting.
prices from UK, isn't it?
Well, I suppose if you there'd be a house in Mayfair or Chelsea or certain parts of Manchester, right? And certainly other parts of the country. There's many parts. I'm not going to pretend that I know them all. That I'm not sure whether it would cost you, that kind of money. When I was in the estate agency business, I had a client, a footballer that wanted to rent out a £2 million house.
Wow.
Which I think he offered about £60,000-70,000 a year.
Yeah.
So one of my neighbours had a house rented out about 10 years ago. It's £3,000 a month.
Yeah. Those
So
are the
there's
prices.
there's no limit, is there, as to what people are prepared to do. So she's coming down again now. Oh wow, that's a big drop again.
Yeah.
Big movements, huh?
Oh, wow.
Oh, good God, look at that.
That was the
Big.
news. Was the news now.
Okay.
But it's still respecting that. If it doesn't break it, we'll go up again. Let's see.
Yeah.
That's only the 1 minute as well.
Okay. And that's always 1 minute's always like very exciting, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
In terms, it looks probably far worse than it is.
It looks more, especially for beginners, more stressful.
A lot of drama, right?
Yeah, if you put 1 hour, 4 hours, then you'll be fine. You don't see all those candles like moving.
Well, do you want to look at the 1 hour? Let's see what that's been doing.
Yeah.
So okay, the 1 hour, it came down for 2 hours, went up for an hour, and it's come back down.
Yeah.
It looks like it's kind of engulfing that candle. Yeah.
Let's see it now. I'm just waiting for the 2 o'clock to see the next candle.
Yeah.
But it's like now, even, let's see the last, where the point he put, 47.63.
Yeah.
Didn't reach that point yet.
Right.
It's here on the bottom of that candle.
Mm-hmm.
That means the runner is still there.
Yeah. Yeah.
But the most important thing is to book the profits, as you can see.
Always the way, isn't it?
Yeah.
And you talk about this a lot, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah? About booking your profits.
Don't leave the money on the table, no.
But Mateus, like, I was looking at the market, and when it dropped those couple of 100 pips or maybe more, if what do you do unless you've got your stop loss in place? There's every chance you're going to lose your account, right?
Yeah, if you don't protect your capital always, you'll be at risk.
Yeah. 100%, right? And that's a very big thing. Yeah?
Yeah.
Very, very big thing. So let me just see, whilst you're there, I'm just going to see if there's any Updates, new login. Yeah.
No, the drop from yesterday was due the stronger US dollar, rising bonds yields. It's like
Yeah.
you were saying yesterday, if the dollar is going up, the gold will come a little bit down.
Yeah.
And
I think
despite
the
Yeah.
other thing that's happening, obviously, is one thing we don't talk about very often is that the brokers are increasing the margins, aren't they?
Yeah,
Right. So, if you get into trouble, the margin calls are now quicker, aren't they?
yeah,
Or
they
they want more margin from you, don't they?
will take you before you on the trade. Yeah, I know what you mean.
Yeah. So got to be careful there as well, right?
Yeah, I think so. Is the way you trade. If you aim for 1 to 3% a day, you will not have those risks.
Yeah.
And if you stick with that rule, making that every day, and then you will see the power of compound calculator.
Yeah.
Absolutely. If you do any compound calculator and you see 1-2% a day over the next 2 years, how many times you have done that?
Yeah, absolutely.
Preparing to buy again.
Yeah. Okay, give me a couple of minutes, Mateus. I'm just going to visit the bathroom.
As you can see, another buy. And which point we had that buy? 47.68, 47.63. That's the area we are buying. 47.68 to 47.63. And the market is going up. I think so reached TP1 already. Yeah. You need to be very quick sometimes. Otherwise, you can miss that straight away. It is going up beautifully, but I don't think so many people got that trading. That's why when prepared to buy, if he's on the right position on the market, I always enter straight away. But on that case, it was a little bit tricky because it was dropping a lot.
Well, I've got some news for you.
Yeah.
So those jets that flew by basically let out colored smoke and to paint the flag of the United Arab Emirates.
Oh, okay, they're just like celebrating.
Yeah, it was much more of a celebration than any cause for panic.
That's good.
Which is great news.
Yeah, I was Googling it straight away. Once Trump says now.
What Trump says now. Yeah, I think I don't think even Trump knows what he's saying now, does he? That's the problem.
Yeah, that's the issue.
Yeah, the man has single-handedly driven us into this crisis.
Yeah.
There was no need for it, was there?
No, absolutely not.
Yeah. There was no need whatsoever. Yes. But you know what? That's what happens, doesn't it? It's chaos in certain aspects of life at the moment.
That's true.
And it's not helping us, is it?
Not really, no.
No. So the market dropped. It's gone all the way back up. And what have we got now?
We have Paul
Back in range. Yeah, back in the range.
back in the range. That means soon we'll have another buy. Be prepared for that.
Yeah. So again, very interesting times in the market. Yeah.
Just keep your finger prepared, and that's it.
Yes, keep your finger prepared.
We have Paul Bale. He just sends to you on Facebook. What's happening, guys?
Let's have a look. What's Paul saying?
As we can see the comments here, where we are now only from YouTube, but we will keep one eye on the comments on the another.
Yeah. That's on Facebook, did you say, Matthias?
Facebook, yeah.
I can't see that myself. Yeah. I'm quite happy to give Paul a shout.
Yeah, if you go on your picture on Facebook, you will see like it's red now because we are live. And then you just click there and then you'll be on the live.
So where do I go?
It's like on your profile. If you go in your picture, you will see a red light circle on your picture.
Yes, I do. Yes,
if you click on that, you go straight on the live.
Yeah.
And then you can see the comments.
Got it. Yeah. Yeah, I'll give him a little nudge. Good buddy of mine.
And I have another question. How I do to get started? That is so simple, guys. Is here. You have the QR code. Just scan the QR code. You have few questions and put your details, and we will get back to you as soon as possible.
Yes.
And if you are on our community and you have any questions or you want to jump on the call with us, feel free to do that, because that's why we are doing those calls, is to support everyone, to help everyone to get most of it.
Yeah. Let's have a look. Where else are we streaming?
We're streaming on LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram.
Yeah. YouTube. Oh, it just comes out as you. Insta. LinkedIn.
LinkedIn, yeah.
Yeah. There we go.
And soon we'll be on TikTok as well. We work in progress.
Yeah, it's all work, isn't it? At the end of the day, it's a learning curve, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah, definitely.
Because we have been on Zooms since COVID, but we never been in something like that.
No, we've been doing Zooms for well over a year, right? And then even before that, we used to do them. Yeah. Absolutely. Look, it's for us to kind of, it's a moving feast, our business. We just go forward.
Yeah.
And and then people are obviously catching us on various things.
Yeah, we're just starting now as well, and there will be more interaction soon.
100%. Yeah. It's really funny because it's like, Adam's a good friend of mine. He's like, just out of interest, right? Yeah, which is good. It's good to hear from you, Adam. If you're still watching, so we're just trying to support people with their trading journeys and create a community or build the community. We already have a community of people that are very, very active in certain areas, And we've got traders that follow signals. We've got traders that copy trade. And that all helps bring it all together, right? And that's all we're trying to do is get what's going on here? Am I looking at the wrong chart? Because I'm just seeing this chart absolutely explode, and I may have inadvertently been, yeah, okay, fine.
No, we are on 47.66.
Yeah, it's strange, isn't it, sometimes, because obviously this is my desktop, and then I've only got my mobile, and sometimes the chart that comes up isn't gold at all.
Yeah.
So I saw this like massive candle, and God knows what it was. I'm thinking, what's going on here? Because I can't see that going on. Is that on the 1 hour now? Do you want to put it on the 1 minute?
That's 1 hour. Yeah, let's go to 1 minute.
Yeah, because obviously that it doesn't show you anything like the movement that we've got. So okay, yeah, there we go.
Going up again. It's going up nicely again.
Yeah.
68.
And it was interesting because I had a conversation, as I said, with my driver today, and he's talking about is gold about to crash? Is it coming down in value? And I was just saying that we don't really care because we're not investing in the asset itself.
Yeah, we can trade all day long. You don't need to hold any physical gold.
Yeah.
CFDs.
Yeah.
Just trade it.
Well, we're trading the option to buy or sell gold, right?
Yeah.
Which is the big difference between being an investor and a trader.
Yeah.
So if you'd have bought at the top thinking it's going to go up, you'd be $1,000 an ounce down now.
Yeah.
Right. If you'd have bought right at the top. I mean, I wouldn't worry about it. And I think I talked about it the other day. They call it, the Americans like to call it DCA, which is dollar cost averaging. But we call it, pound cost averaging.
Yeah.
Which is that if you're buying gold or any asset, buy it on a regular basis.
Yeah, you don't need to wait for.
Yeah, set up a regular payment, $100, $200, $500. You can buy gold ETFs, right? Which invest in gold, or you can buy, portions of an ounce or an ounce, depending on your budget. So you can buy physical gold. You can buy the options of ETFs or funds that trade in gold, or funds that trade in mining companies that mine gold.
Yeah.
So there's lots of ways to be in the market, right?
It is.
The only thing to bear in mind, I always think, is that if you are going to do physical, as in, an ETF or a mining stock or whatever it is, you still haven't got the asset in your hands, right? So you still just have an option for gold.
Yeah.
So personally speaking, I only buy physical gold.
Yeah, you talked. Look, the spike.
Yeah. Well, yeah. There she goes, right?
Yeah. If you're still on the trade, you are on TP2 now.
Yeah.
If you kept the stop loss, as he was saying, on the stop loss at 47.63, now you're on TP2, and it looks promising for TP3.
Well, there's moving now, isn't it? Again.
Yeah.
Really, motoring now again, and really, Let's see. Wow.
And that is a trust on the signal. If you keep doing over and over again, you'll be on that position to trust the signal and just jump on it without thinking too much.
Yeah, TP2 hit.
Yeah, TP2, and it's heading for TP3.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's retraced everything.
Yeah, we had many TP2s, TP3s today.
Yeah.
Let me come back on the update from the day before. You can see what's happening on the day.
Yeah.
As you can see, we always have one update on the end of the day.
Yeah.
or maybe on the middle of the day as well, if we have the results already. It's
Yeah.
like you can see here, the Monday trading recap. We had 14 trades, winning trades 30, and
Yeah.
losing trades only 1. Win rate was 90%, and then we put the pips as well, 1,460 pips.
Wow.
Just insane. And
Yeah.
was not a very good day as well, I can tell you.
Yeah.
And then on the 13 winning trades, that means we can have multiple wins on those trades as well. That means
Yeah.
some of them we reach TP2, TP3s. That's another way to see the results as well. You don't only see as 13 winning trades.
Yeah.
As you can see, the trader always puts insight on that. He's testing the patience.
Yeah. Well, it's education, isn't it?
Yeah, and then you start to learn about.
Yeah. 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 Absolutely.
And
Absolutely.
he's telling you how you need to stay disciplined, follow the rules, and trust the process, and just stick with the plan, and that's it.
Yeah. Yeah. Absolutely. And sticking with the plan is where I think that's, you every company, every industry, every team, they just go back to plan, don't they?
Yeah,
Yeah. Always stick with a plan.
that's it.
You can do whatever else you like. Stick with the plan. Have a plan and stick to it.
Yeah, and knowing before you press the button, knowing where to get out, where to get in, and when you will stop. That's the main thing, the main goal for you to have in mind.
Yes.
As you can see, if it's my situation here, I will take some percentage on TP2 and let the rest run and move stop loss to break even. And that's it.
Yeah.
That's what I will do all the time. But then you need to find your way.
Yes. Yeah.
And that looks like TP3 will reach soon.
Matthias, what goes through your mind when, like, now the market is rising, then all of a sudden you get a red candle? Do you panic, or do you think, oh, it doesn't matter, it's just a correction?
You have if you have the stop loss on the right place, on that case, on break even, you don't care. You can even walk away.
Yeah, as I was talking this morning, right?
I have the trampoline from the kids there. If I'm stressed or something like that, the break even is put, I will go outside and jump 3 times, 4 times, then I come back.
Brilliant.
That helps to release some stress as well, you know?
Yeah, I get what you mean.
I do 3, 4 jumps and then I come back.
So the secret to being a successful trader is having a trampoline in your back garden, right?
That's it.
I love it.
You can have even a small one, then you can put on your side on the desk. But you need to find your way to release the stress, because sometimes when you are in front of a screen many hours, could be stressful, even if you are making that mechanical, because we are human beings. Just go for a walk.
Of course.
Leave your phone, leave your laptop, put a break even and go for a walk.
Yeah.
Or have breaks. Go for drink a tea, but get out of the screen. Don't stay 6 hours in front of the screen, because that is not healthy.
Yeah. Yeah, very true. Great advice. Right?
It's not healthy. Look, if you have the patience, as you can see now, it's just fighting there on the top. But I think so that will reach TP3 straight away.
Yeah. What point is TP3?
TP3 is 80, 47, 80.
Wow.
We're nearly there. And then you have the higher on the day as well. If you go to 1 hour, it's all the way to the top, isn't it? It's 47.96 nearly.
47.96, is that where the top is?
Yeah, from the day.
Yeah. Well, You know what? It's been a real roller coaster this afternoon.
Yeah.
Yeah. Real ups and downs. Lots of money made, lots of money lost.
You stick with the rule, and that is the key on those situations, you know?
Yeah. Yeah. But rules are there for a reason, right?
Yeah. And to make your life easier as well. Because
Yeah.
when you blow accounts is when you do the wrong things. Over
Yes.
leveraging is one of those.
Yeah.
And because you can be on the right direction, but if you're over leveraging, you don't have room to breathe.
Mm.
And if the market suddenly drops, you don't have the stop loss in place, and anything can happen on your life, and then you can blow one account straight away.
Yeah.
And
And
we
you
have
really
been
would.
there.
Yeah. You and I have blown many cows between us.
Yeah,
right?
we have been there. You don't need to be there. You don't.
Mm-hmm.
It's like I said, you don't need to pay thousands for education. You don't need to looking for the next golden nugget. You have everything here. You just need to stick with the rule. And if you stick with the rule with that signal or any signal provider, you succeed. But you
Yes.
just need to have the right mindset.
Yeah. But this is really interesting what you said about, any signal provider, because we've been through a few, haven't we?
Mm.
Yeah.
I think so. The
Yeah.
key on that success we are having now is the time frame.
Okay.
You can, and the quantity as well, because sometimes you have 1 or 2, 3 signals a day, and if you miss one, you're done. And here
Yeah.
we have plenty.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
That is
Yeah.
the difference between finding the right signals as well.
Mm-hmm. Mm. Yeah. Yeah.
But then is
Yeah.
the mindset you have behind it.
Well, the mindset is everything, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah. At the end of the day, mindset is what kills you. Mindset is what makes you. Mindset is what gives you the success. Because as I said yesterday, pressing the button's not difficult, is it?
Yeah.
Right?
That's why trading is lonely. Use that time to nurturing your mindset,
Yes.
because you can be trading and listening to an audiobook, and then you keep nurturing your mind.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Trading in the Zone, right? Chapter 11.
Chapter 11 or Positive Thinking from Napoleon Hill. I like that one as well, because
Yeah.
if you are down or anything, that you keep pushing yourself up. You find
Yeah.
ways to be positive, to be grateful.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. So it looks like it's trying to push through that.
Yeah.
I can't see that number, whatever it's 77.
77 now.
Yeah, 44.77. Trying to push through that.
Yeah, it's quite small. If you keep on the small you just need to do the zoom on your monitor, then you can see everything.
Yeah.
Because we have plenty of things here too. Yeah, it's nearly there. TP3.
Yeah. Very interesting.
That's good. Another TP3 today. Well done, guys.
Massive spike there just now.
Yeah.
So she's coming down a bit now from there.
Let's see if we will have the 48. It's still plenty to go to 48.
Well, always look to the left. So about the 5 minutes. So on the left of this is, that can become a resistance or support. So at the moment it's resistance. If it pushes through, then that could be the support. This 76, 78 could be the support point, right?
Yeah. We are on that area now. If it breaks it, then will be a potential go all the way up again.
Yeah. It's just about to cancel out that wick that it just did.
Yeah.
Yeah, and there's a couple of wicks up at sort of 80,
And it's-
384.
And it's just the beginning of the hour.
Yeah,
I think so that will keep pushing up if we carry on like that.
you think?
Yeah, I hope. I still want to make I still with my TP all the way up.
It all sounded really good until you said, I hope.
Yeah. No, but then you just can't hope, but then you protect yourself. My stop loss is at break even.
Yeah, I know what you're saying, but you know what I mean, right?
Yeah.
It's like, okay then, right?
Wait now.
Yeah. So, no, that was good. I like that. Yeah. So, everything's all scientific until it's like, I hope. But that's good. That's good. Great trading session, though. Hey, Mateus.
It was amazing.
Yeah. Loads of volatility.
Yeah.
Loads of opportunity.
Yeah. Today was great. I think some days you can be like stuck for a while. Today we just went straight away to TPs.
Yes. Yeah.
What was nice.
And so what do you think? Is it easing off or is it pushing? Yeah, it looks like it's pushing, right?
Pushing. Yes, pushing.
Yeah.
And like I said to you, look the candle. Let's see the 1 hour. You can see straight away, just retraces to the end of that candle. And when we start the week, just went up all the way up.
Yeah.
On 1 hour.
Still hasn't broken 4,800, has it, recently?
No.
Yeah?
No, we're
So
still
it
on
hasn't
that.
Yeah, hasn't managed that, has it?
No.
Which is interesting. Right? So, yeah.
Amazing.
Okay. Let's see where she goes, right?
Yeah.
You think it's going to hit that peaks on the left there? Okay, we've got 80 now.
80, yeah.
80, yeah. We got 80 now. So that what level was that at?
We can come easily to 90.
Yeah.
If it breaks that stronger, we'll go to 90.
Yeah.
Here on the top on those two candles. 1 hour.
Yeah. Easy.
It's the next hour, and then
81.
We have
81, 82. Wow.
He's going up.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's see how far she pushes. Oh, yeah.
Now
Anyone
it's just,
again?
Yeah, now it's just the runners. It's like you need to learn how to book those profits.
Yes.
If you are on that signal, as
Yeah.
you can see, another perfect entry, maximize profit rates, and that means we reach TP3.
Yeah.
On that
you need some real good strategy, don't you, to follow those runners?
Yeah.
We've got a few traders that run those. I've got a few now. There's a few guys that run the runners, right?
Yeah.
And it's magnificent to see it because the profits are huge.
Yeah, it's where you maximize all the signal because like from yesterday, if you kept trading from yesterday on that area 47, can you imagine now nearly 48? You 1,000 pips. Even if you book some profits on the way, if you leave 0.01 to 48, you will make more money.
Yeah, but that's experience, though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And patience, because that is the only thing kills most of us, because you don't have that patience to hold that runner to do the hard lifts for you.
But the patience part is that every single trader has done this, and I've done it more than I care to mention, is that we leave the losses. Yeah.
And close
And
the
we-
profit
yeah.
very
absolutely.
early. Yeah, I know what
Yeah.
you mean.
Yeah. So
That's why you stick with the rules always.
well, that little push-ups just give me one of mine's hit TP £324 on that trade.
Amazing.
One single trade. Yeah.
Congratulations. I
Yeah,
still
one
hold
single-
these runners.
Are you? I've got one I'm still holding.
Yeah.
Where's your TP on that?
That is the 48.
Yeah, mine was at so I had two. So one was at 47.85. We just done that £324.
Yeah.
And I've got one at 47.90. So I don't know whether to push that to 4,800 or be happy for the day, right?
I will keep mine there because it's just runner, like I said
Okay.
to you.
Okay. Okay.
And my
I'm gonna go.
entry point is really down.
Yeah. So
It's
whilst
from-
we're on the call, I've just pushed that to 4,800. So
Yeah.
if I chicken out, I might cash out, right?
My runner is from 47.26.
Right.
Then
Wow.
I have.
What's your lot size?
I
What's your
have
lot size on that?
That is 0.04.
Okay. Okay. Well, I'm going to share something with you. So that last trade was only about 90 pips, but the lot size was 0.5.
Okay.
So £324
Amazing.
I booked, right, on that.
Well done.
Uh,
That is the main goal. Book profits because then no one can take that from you.
yeah, like you said, now it's like I've got one. This is my last trade of the day, by the way, right?
Yeah.
Because it's 18 minutes past 5. So I'm so as soon as we finish the call today, I'm going to be getting ready for dinner. Got some family friends coming over to the hotel tonight. So I will then go and shower and get that done. And again, it's about get this thing to serve you,
Yeah.
right? It's not about you sitting here all day, every day, looking at the charts all day.
Yeah. And the best
Right.
thing with the signals, you don't need to keep looking at the charts all day. When you get used to copy the signals, you can have your mobile phone and just be spot on.
That's all I'm
Have
doing
you-
now.
Have your
So,
MetaTrader 5.
Yeah. So being away from home, I don't have an iPad. I don't have a laptop any longer. So I've got my desktop at home in my office, and I've got my iPad, which I use for 99.9% of things. And then I've got my phone. So, I'm now logged in to my iPad. So I don't have the luxury of another laptop or a big screen to look at.
Yeah, that's the good thing. If you can have another
yeah.
screen, is good.
Yeah. Well, next week I will do. I'll be back in my office, right?
Yeah.
So 47.87.
Yeah, 90 is coming.
90's coming. 90's coming.
And
So,
also, you can have two mobile phones. Look, a mobile phone on second hand, on back to market is £50. Buy another phone, and then you have Telegram in one phone and MetaTrader 5 on the another one. Then you don't have any risk. Even if you go away, you want to copy the signals, you can do that. But I
Yeah.
recommend you to monitor that. Don't just place
Yeah.
the trades and leave that alone. If you
Yeah.
even if you are away, but you have like 50 minutes to take care of that signal, that is the main goal. Look, nearly 90 now.
Yeah. Really interesting that you say that, because I was in India last week, or was it the week before? But I was in India, right? So I needed to get a SIM card for India.
Yeah,
So I got one. Yeah.
yeah,
So I've only ever had 2 mobile phone numbers, and I still have my original one. So in my iPhone, I have an eSIM and a physical SIM.
yeah,
So that's my old number and my new number, right?
yeah.
So then in India, I ended up getting a SIM, and then today I got a SIM for Dubai.
Now
Right?
you will be like me. You have 3 phones.
Well, so now I need to go and get another phone.
Yeah.
Which again was really interesting because Mrs. J, she got her phone was something wrong with it. Apple gave her a refurbished phone as a replacement. It's a few years old.
Yeah.
And I saw this massive scratch on the screen. She said, you know what? It had that when I got it. Unfortunately, it was covered when I got it. I didn't notice it for a while. So I said, you know what? I need a new phone. I need a second phone.
90.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah. Hit 90. Brilliant. So I said, I need a second phone. So what I'll do is we'll get you a new one because obviously I need to keep in touch with these SIMs I've got from India for banking and stuff. Not that anybody's going to call me.
Yeah.
So OTP codes and things like that, they won't issue those outside of the country. So you need an India. If you're banking in India, you need an India mobile. And if you're banking and have a company in Australia, you need us. So yeah. And then I think obviously I can use those for, like you said, maybe the Telegram signals, maybe when I'm out and about, I can do that. Yeah.
Just keep the Telegram signals in one mobile and then MetaTrader 5 in another one. Because then you free of mind, you don't keep scrolling and you have the 2 ways to see everything in one go.
Yeah. Well, I tend to do that. So when I'm at my desk, I have my iPad. Obviously, I trade off MetaTrader 4 on my phone.
Yeah.
And then so I place the trades on there. Don't use the computer for that. So I have my charting software on my desktop, and then I have my Telegram channel on my iPad next to me.
Yeah. Having TradingView or any chart open, that helps as well.
Massively.
If you can have that, that will be a bonus. If you're at home, you can have one screen with the TradingView.
Yeah.
One mobile with Telegram and another one to place the trades.
Yeah.
You need to
What
find
time
your
frame?
setup.
Yeah, Matthias, what time frame's that on the chart that you're seeing?
That's 1 hour. We kept in 1 hour. Let's put in
Let's
1
go to
minute.
5 minutes, shall we? Or 1 minute? Yeah, because it's
That's
come
5
away
minutes.
a little bit from 47.90. Is it 88? Yeah?
That is 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Let me
So yeah, gone 90.
ticker.
So I've gone to 4,800 on that. Let's see if we can get that done in the next 30 minutes whilst we're on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's blow a little bit. I will blow here on the. Let's go forward. No, it's going up nicely now. 92.
Yeah.
Next stop will be 48. Come on. My 48. I was waiting from this moment.
Yeah.
But that is the 0.04 now on the. It's just the remain of the trading.
Yeah.
But as you can see, you don't need to keep pressing the button. And when you learn the skills, when you learn it, just leave the runners to do the heavy lift.
Yeah.
Then you can slow down and see what's going on. But as a beginner, as much as you press the button is better for you because you will have the confidence and learn more. That's the only thing for beginners. The way to learn is pressing the button.
Yes. Yeah.
Even if it's in demo account for the first week. I understand that.
I still disagree with all that. Democrats don't have spreads, right?
Yeah, it's
For a
different.
start. All right. Well, for a start, they don't have spreads. The other thing is the broker wants you to win when you got the Democrat.
Yeah.
How many people have we met that make money on demo accounts, then suddenly blow their accounts when they get to a live account?
Because you don't have everything and you don't have the emotions as well. When you're on
Exactly.
But
Exactly.
I mean, if you can do at least for some hours, because some of the people who start with us, they never trade before.
Yeah.
And then, of course, you need to do that in order to
You know
prepare.
what I would do?
Yeah,
I'd stick £1,000 on the copy trading and watch that trade.
yeah,
Yeah, because you can learn so much from that.
just
And the other
watching.
thing, is it Tuesday today or is it Wednesday? It's Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Right, we started this yesterday. Yeah?
Yeah.
So when you and I are meeting face to face and we're trading together, or we're saying, oh, that really helps my trading.
Yeah,
And this has been so fundamentally good for me in just sitting here, watching the chart, talking it through. Hey, here's a signal. Here's this. Shall we take this? Shall we do that? Right?
you're not by yourself. That is the main goal, to do that.
Yeah. Yeah. So now what you need another device.
Yeah.
Yeah. You need another device to have this channel on all the time.
Yeah,
And you could trade with us 4 hours a day and you'd make all the money you need to make.
that's it.
Yeah. Yeah. Quite easily. So come now, it's down 86, right? Still got a decent profit. So we've seen that little bit of a pullback.
Yeah,
Now we've got to look at it and say, is this a pullback? And has it gone too far? Is it going to push up further?
84. That could come back to 76. That's the
Yeah.
area, or even further. Let's see. If it comes all the way down, will be that area here on the bottom.
Yeah, yeah. So we're now 47.90, 190 pips profit.
But as you can see on 50 minutes, it's still going up. That will get filled again.
Yes.
I still think is up now. But like I say to you, on that point, you have a stop loss on break even. You don't need
Yeah.
to care anymore.
Yeah. Yeah.
And you book some profits, you just let the runners do the work.
Well, yeah, that's exactly what we said. I took that profit at 47.90.
Yeah.
Yeah. A nice little bit of sub. And I mean, this could come down and hit my stop loss, right?
Yeah.
But
But
that
then
doesn't
your stop
matter.
loss is on break even.
Yeah.
That means you
So-
don't lose anything. If you want to go away now and leave that open, you can go
Yeah.
away. You don't think too much about that.
Absolutely. That's the main thing.
Main thing, yeah.
Yeah, 100%. 100%, right? And this is good trading, isn't it?
Yeah.
These are good practices of how you want to learn to trade.
And as you can see, the stop loss on that particularly trade will be at
Yeah.
62, all the way to the bottom here.
Yeah.
62. And even though you have entry point at 63 or 64, it's still a
Yeah.
good amount of pips up.
Yes.
And the risk free on that trade is 63. It's all the way to the bottom as well.
Yeah.
And
But
you
if
just-
this starts climbing back now, it'll hit the 4,800, I think.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
And even if he's coming back now, at some point this week will reach that, because it's pushing towards that.
Yes, definitely.
And like I say to you, my stop loss is all the way to the bottom. I'm like completely 26, my entry point.
Right.
I don't need to worry right now.
That's the other key, isn't it? The entry point's the one that really matters.
Yeah, and holding that as well, learning how to hold it.
Yeah.
And then you can have days off, like today. I don't need to trade too much because that runner is doing the heavy lift.
Yes.
But you know me, we cannot stop pressing the button.
Well, the thing is that, look, if Tesla has a really good year,
Yeah.
Elon doesn't have a year off, does he?
No, you can't. I think so. It's
Do you know
our
what I mean?
yeah.
So he doesn't suddenly think, you know what, I'll have a year off, right?
Even us, we go to holiday, we're still working.
I love it. What else would
Yeah.
you do?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, why would you, if you, and again, I talked about it earlier, didn't I? If you find something that you really love,
You
yeah,
don't feel
why would you not want to do it? Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, why would you not want to do it, right? Why would you not want to do more of it? And that's the key, isn't it?
It is.
Absolutely. Okay, now this will be interesting. If it carries on up, this could break the 4800 now.
Yeah, because that was the retracement. It's done.
And you know what? I never used to understand it when I first started trading. When it started coming down, I used to put a sell in and think, "Oh, right, great, it's going to come all the way back down." I never understood that this is the little bit of liquidity grab that it needs.
Yeah,
Yeah, and that's lack of experience, right?
because the trades they need to breathe in, breathe out all the time,
Yes. Yeah.
and sometimes you will have like a hold that is the big push or big drop.
Yeah. That's a great way to put it, right? The market's just taking a breath, picking up some liquidity, getting rid of some people,
Yeah,
because the amateurs, like I used to be, I would think, "Oh, here it goes. It's going to drop all the way back down again."
Mm.
Yeah, only because is that on the 1 minute?
That's 1 minute. Yeah,
So on the 1 minute, let me just, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take you outside to my balcony, because I'm just going to get out of the way. Mrs. J wants to get ready, and we're in an apartment.
okay.
Or a
I will
suite, shall I
not
say?
do that. Otherwise, mine will be going to the garden. Then you stop seeing it.
Yeah, I'm going to go into my garden now and talk to you guys
Look.
outside.
It's going
Yeah.
up again.
Oh, look at
Then-
that. Look at that beauty.
Yeah,
And so I'm going to sit outside now.
and you see that drop put a lot of people on cells,
Yeah.
and they take everyone out now. It's
Yeah,
just the patience
100%.
you need to have.
Yeah. Look at that go.
Oh,
Yeah.
look at views now.
So it's not been a bad life for the last month, Matthias. Yeah. So she's gone back up to 89, 90.
It is breaking it. If it breaks 92, 93, we go to 48.
Yeah.
Come on. It's
Fantastic.
just half an hour.
Yeah, look at that.
Come on, my 48.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pushing again.
Yeah. It's gonna
94.
smash through that. Yeah, it's gonna smash through that. Right. And isn't it interesting that when the market just started a few minutes ago coming back, I said, you know what, if it starts pushing, it'll go through the 4800.
Yeah,
And
because
it's really, yeah, it's beautiful actually knowing these things now.
yeah, and because
Right, 'cause
otherwise you get stuck on the sell now, because some people will see that, will say, "Oh, that is a sell."
Well, when we were amateurs, we used to do this, didn't we?
Yeah, look at that beautiful 1 hour.
Oh, yeah, terrific, absolutely terrific.
And
So
we are
need-
just need to break that 96 now. And
Yeah,
then
yeah,
we'll
yeah.
be on 48.
Well, we're 50 pips away, aren't we? Yeah,
Yeah. All-time
Yeah, we're-
higher for the day.
yeah, absolutely,
Nearly
Absolutely.
breaking it.
yeah. So let's see. I see you taking a little breather, back down a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Always that doesn't go in one go. It's
yeah. Shall I give you my view?
we're preparing to buy now.
Yeah. Shall I give you my view whilst we're looking at this?
Yeah,
While
yeah.
she takes a little breather. Okay. Can you see that? That's me, by the way. There's my tan.
Oh, yeah,
So-
it's frozen a little bit. Yeah, we can see now.
Can you see that?
Yeah,
So
it's
this is
beautiful.
Dubai.
Let me stop sharing, then we can see better.
That's okay.
Yeah, now we can see better.
Yeah, there we go.
It's beautiful.
So that's what. Oops, nearly smacked into my own little glass panel. So there you go. How nice. That's the Arabian Sea. Actually, that is the Strait of Hormuz.
Okay.
So down there somewhere is where all the trouble is.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so that's Dubai by day. So down there is other balconies and other suites and stuff like that. Then the other side is there.
Oh, it's massive.
Yeah, about 40, 50 stories, I think. 40 stories, I think, is what I remember. So what's the market doing, by the way? We don't want to get carried away with this nonsense.
No,
So,
let's breathe. We are on 94, daily breaking all-time higher today.
Yeah, great. So I don't know whether you know about the Burj Al Arab. I'm fascinated by it. So when I was a young, impressionable man that,
Well, we broke all-time higher now
yeah.
for the day.
Oh, fantastic. Fantastic. Let me see where my trade's at.
Nearly 48. Come on. I will get out of it today.
47.
Yeah.
Oh,
98.
yes. Oh,
Yeah, 48.
Come on,
48. Come
come
on,
on.
keep pushing.
didn't quite hit it, Mateus. Come on, sweetheart.
Just
Let's go.
another push.
So I remember I pushed there you go, done.
Yeah, 48.
There you go, Mateus. Can you
All
see that?
trades close. Yeah.
£1,000 for the day.
Amazing. Amazing.
Yeah.
Well done.
1,045 quid
Wow.
on that particular account. £590 on that trade.
That's amazing.
Wowza.
Just the
Yeah.
patience, you see.
Yeah, 100%. Just the patience.
As you can see, the market, they try to take you off the trade. It's putting a lot of
100%.
people on fear on that drop. A lot of
Yeah,
people
yeah.
will start to sell, and they will take
We used
everyone
to.
out of it.
Mateus, I used to.
Yeah.
Right? I would start thinking, oh my God, here it comes, right? And then the other thing is that I used to be a shorter of the market.
Yeah.
So I was always looking for a short. Yeah?
Yeah.
Always looking for a short. And so as soon as it did, what we wanted, what we thought in terms of a reversal, I'd go in. Now I look at it, I think, you know what? That's going to go back. That's going to go up more and more and more. Then the other thing is, guys, if you're here now with us,
Prepare to buy again. We just reached
Oh
TP3
my
and he's buying again.
Oh my God. That is but he's relentless, right?
Let me just hide that a little bit. Yeah. You have the TPs and everything there.
Yeah, well, that signal's come in at 4,800 is the top, right?
Yeah.
So, it's probably just easing back off. 48.80 has, like I said, I haven't seen the market now in terms of where it's at.
47.
Yeah, it's come back a little bit, right? Eased off a little. Yeah. No, terrific. Absolutely terrific. So, that's a good day's trading. And I've been working. That's one of my accounts.
Today was amazing. A lot of TP3s today.
Yeah,
We will see a lot of results tomorrow. I will share those results tomorrow.
Yeah. So no, absolutely brilliant. Yeah, couldn't fault it, could you?
Amazing.
Mm-hmm.
And another TP1.
Yeah, it is, and that's what we talk about, don't we? That's
that
what we're talking
doesn't
about.
stop. Yeah, if you miss one signal, don't worry, will be more signals. And
Yes.
just be resilient, and that's it.
And that's all you need, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's all you need. Like you said,
Easy.
resilience is all you need.
a lot of skills combined, a lot of resilience, patience, discipline to do what you need to do all the time. But if you combine all those skills together, you'll be fine.
Absolutely. And so look, we've so got about 17-18 minutes to go for today, and we've had a few people watching and a few messages and etc. If you're still on or you're watching on the replay, this isn't rocket science. We're now showing you what we're doing on a day-to-day basis, right? It's not easy, but it's not impossible either.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, I'm at work, but I'm not at work. So this morning I was trading. I joined you guys from the back seat of my car for a little while. Then I joined you from the hotel. So I got up this morning. Had breakfast, went out to do my meetings, right? Traded, had some trades in, took profit, came back, took some more signals, and then we just closed out. So whilst I've been out and about, I've made probably about £1,200 today, maybe a bit more, because I don't have just one account.
Yeah.
Sometimes I trade one of them, sometimes I trade two, sometimes I trade three. And by the way, two of them are connected to copy traders. So I just push them along sometimes, right? You don't need to, but sometimes I do. But then that's come from 5 years of experience doing what I'm doing.
Yeah.
And, and what we've done today in terms of where I am is just 1 second. Yes, dear. Okay. So, as we said, got some guests coming to the hotel for dinner tonight. So Mrs. J's just shot off and going downstairs to greet them. You can do this. You can carry on with your life. I've opened 3 new bank accounts, met 3 people, and done all of this stuff whilst I've been trading as well. So you don't have to be stuck at a desk all day long, but then that comes with time and experience, and once you get to know what you're doing.
Yeah.
For initially, you got to pay the price, and you got to, sit down, and you got to be conscientious, and remember, it's money, right? Money's emotional, and if you're not careful, you will lose money, and we really don't want you to do that. So we've designed this blueprint that will give you the tools. That's all we can do is give you the tools, right? So market's come back down to 47.88, right? So slip back. So has it done what it needed to do? And is it now, when does it get back to 48, or does it power through? Is that another setback? And then you'll notice that now, since, it hit the 4,800, Matthias and I have not been so intense about looking at it.
Yeah. But you reach your target, more than your target for the day. You don't need to keep looking. You need to relax.
Yeah. Do you want to change that to the 1 minute, because we'll see it coming back?
Yeah.
So again, and I'll give you my analysis in terms of where we are. Do you want to just straight elongate that a little bit? Yeah. So now look, right? So it's either done the 4,800 and it wants to come back a bit, or it's just taking another breather. There you go, positive candle there. And is it just taking another breather? And is it on to, 48.10, 48.20, 48.30? Yeah. And the thing that you've got to do is you've got to train yourself. If your thing's done, right? So I called you into those 2 live trades that I was part of. So I'll just tell you that. So what did we end up with? That's not the account that I want. That's not the account that I want either. So where do we end up? Yeah. So the earlier trade that I spoke to you about was £324, and the latter trade was £590. So in the best part of what is that, 600, about £950 from that, right? And then, so how much you need? £1,000 a day is £20,000 a month. And so, you've got to think that and call it out and think that's the day done at some point. Whether that's £20 when you first start, whether it's £50. I've got some bigger accounts, I've got some smaller accounts. So there's another account that did about £130 on it. There's another account that did a little bit more than what I've done. But that's, like I said, it's 5 years out, right? So now, it's coming up to 10 to 6 where I am. As I said, we're meeting some family for dinner downstairs, one of the restaurants. So it's a case of, jumping off call, jumping into the shower, quick getting change, and enjoying the day.
Yeah.
And that's so important, celebrate your wins. Yeah. Learn from your losses and celebrate your wins. And Matthias and I are very fortunate, but it's also taken. Matthias, well, how long ago since we met? How many years has it been now?
5 years,
3,
I think.
4?
I think so. 5 years already.
Yeah. Yeah. So, it was very fortunate. Matthias reached out to me because of this business.
Yeah.
And it turned out that he lives a couple of miles away from me. Right? So this social media and this business has turned Matthias and I into family now. I know his kids, he knows mine. He's due to go to my house tomorrow, by the way, right? So even that, he has a key to my house. So he's due to go tomorrow. So that's what this business has done for us. And, we succeed together, we fall together, right?
Yeah.
And so he's sat at home in Leicester and I've been away, and lots of little things that I can't do because you can't do everything remotely.
Yeah.
So all the things that I can't do, he'll do, and vice versa. Sometimes he's away and there's a few things that I need to do. So come and join us, be part of this community, trade with us, right? It's called Trade with Cam. Yeah. And you do the 4 hours with us, do 6 hours, do 8 hours, do 10 hours. Look, there she goes again, right? More money to be made. Yeah, more money to be made. Yeah. I won't be putting another trade in for the day.
No, it's plenty of money to be made, but like you said, you done your targets. You enjoy that.
Yeah. Well, just congratulate yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just congratulate yourself. Congratulate growing an account, right? And compounding. Use the time to be compounding your account, compounding your money, and growing it. Yeah, on a consistent basis. So £1,000 a day is amazing, but it's not amazing if it's the only day that you ever do £1,000, right? That's not going to change your life.
Yeah.
So, and it's not about £1,100 tomorrow or £1,500 tomorrow. It's not even that, right? There was a good day on that particular account for me. Right? Yeah. There are other days that are not so good, when the market's tough, and and most of the time it's my headspace that I can't get right. And today, could have been difficult because like I said, I've opened 3 new bank accounts today, OTP codes, questions, etc., meeting lots of new people, going to a new place, but I also made it easy for myself. I had the choice of going for a DIY setup or going for a VIP setup. And I chose the VIP setup because I'm in a strange environment. I don't know anything that goes on. So I chose a VIP hand-holding service, which cost me considerably more, but it was so easy, you know. So last week I got picked up from my hotel, got driven, appointments were made. I'd needed 2 appointments last week. I needed another 2 appointments today. So we waited. So that's all done. And you know, things were in hand. So it could have been a very different day to the one that I've had today, but it wasn't. And that's what I really want you guys to kind of think about, right? That this thing can give you whatever you need, whatever your ambitions are, whatever your goals are. This market can give them to you. It can also give you a lot of frustration, right? And you can get really, really tied up in knots over it. But once you learn it, once you learn the way this thing works, once you learn to follow the signals and have a good system, then, you know, the world's your oyster, really.
Then it will be boring to make money. That is the key.
You don't need excitement, right, Matthias?
Yeah, I think so. The boring thing, I mean, is make that mechanical. If you're doing that over and over and over, the same thing over and over again, becomes like routine. But then is that routine will make you money every day. Doesn't need to be boring.
100%.
No, I just telling that because I don't want you to be stressful, you know, trading.
Yeah.
Because the excitement is still there. When you make money, it's exciting.
Well, be excited about spending it, right?
Yeah. You can make plans.
Get excited about what you're gonna do with it.
Yeah, my family was happy spending the money on holidays now.
Yeah, well, you know, Matthias, you sent your family to Spain for the Easter break, right?
Yeah.
How wonderful is that?
No, it's great. It's great to be able to do that as well.
Yeah. Well, it's enjoying your money that you can get.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, you know, and come and talk to us. Come and join us. You can be a guest on this show, if that's what we can call it. You can share your trading experiences. We've had questions asked today. We'll get some more. So ask any questions that you want to ask me. You know, we're live on Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Insta. Soon to be live on TikTok if we manage to sort out what we need to do, right?
We're having great feedback. If you go on Facebook, we have great feedback on the live today.
Really?
Yeah. Adam Simpson, he's asking about the frequency. We will promote a little bit more those lives, but we tend to do those lives every day, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. 10 a.m. UK time. Then after that, on the evening, on the New York session, we will do 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Like 4 hours a day.
Buddy Battle's telling me £135. You FTD. I don't know. I hope that means he's up 135 quid, right?
He's up. I don't understand as well. I try to decipher that.
Message him. Yeah. No, it's lovely. He's saying I'm enjoying the lives. You know, we're enjoying doing them. It's real fun. Honestly, it's been. Adam, we're going to do them every single day. Adam, by the way, is a dear friend of mine from a long time ago. Probably got to be 20 years now. Yeah. Adam built my very first website, and we've been friends ever since. Did a lot of work for me in my estate agency business, in my insurance business. So, Adam, I'll try and reply to this, but guys, we're doing this every day from 8 till 10 and 1 till 3, right? 5 days a week, you know, without fail, because we're really committed to this. So I hope you're enjoying it. Love the fact that Hardeep's saying he's enjoying it. and we'll build some momentum into this, right? And things will get better and better and better, and we'll get stronger and stronger and stronger. So look, now it's kind of peaked, it's dropped a little bit. Whether it'll get much past 4,800 today, we don't know. Depends on the news and depends on how much momentum there is. And remember one thing, it's 6 o'clock in the afternoon here, so it's, what is it, 3 o'clock for you, Matthias?
Nearly 3 o'clock, yeah.
Yeah. So 3 o'clock is usually around about the peak of what's going on, right? So if you look at the market now, so I'm going to just take a look at the day on my phone because I haven't got my system with me, obviously. So it's 47.91. So it's dropped off nearly 100 pips off the chart, but that was a massive hour, and so it's the second straight day of buying. So it's come from sort of 4650, 46,700 on my phone, so I can't be exact, but that's not the point, right? So it's come and it's had 2 big days, and today's been a huge day if you look at it. And sometimes the volume just goes, the trading's been done.
Yeah.
Right? The traders have done their trading, the banks have done their trading, and everybody's done. And then there's not action all the time in the market. So we had
the main point. Make your profits, make your percentage, and go away. Because then, if you keep chasing, then you can give the money back.
Yeah. So 7 hours ago, we had a massive 1 hour candle.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is probably as big, if not bigger. It's retraced back a little bit now. And then what will happen is London closes at 5 o'clock your time, and then New York remains. And then sometimes if there's no news, nothing much happens. So you need to make your money when you need to make it, and then you need to just shut up shop for the day and go.
And if we have some signals on Asia session, if you like what you see on the signal, you can always keep that signal on and keep the stop loss and go to sleep and leave it.
Yeah.
That's another way.
Well, I did that last night, right? Woke up some decent profit. And I did that not because of any other reason other than I saw an opportunity and I knew that I'd be busy today. I may or may not have been able to trade.
Yeah. And so you need to plan in advance.
Yeah. I didn't know how long the banking was going to take. I don't know whether I'd be out all day. And then this afternoon, we actually had a photo shoot booked, which unfortunately the hotel didn't allow us to do here today. So if that had gone ahead, I wouldn't have been able to trade this afternoon. But it is what it is, right? You don't trade every day. So, again, same old thing. This thing needs to serve you. You don't need to serve it, right? It can be a very cruel master. So you need to be the master, and and it needs to be your servant, right? Get the market to serve you, and you can't really go wrong, right? And by the way, my friend Hardy Atwell, who is £135 up, has a full-time, full-on business. Yeah, he's not sitting around like me and Matthias are, right? So, he's with clients all day, and I know that without, specifically telling you what he does, because that's not my business to do that. And look, market's rising again. It's gone past the previous 2 candles, but again, it's eased off as well, right? 97, so 48 may be the thing. Who knows? I mean, it won't be the thing forever. It might be the thing for an hour. And who knows, it might absolutely smash through everything that it's done previously. But look, like we said, you can't be on the market 23 hours a day. There's no need to be, right? So it's now 6 p.m. where I am. It's, what is it for you, Matthias? 5?
3 p.m. now.
3 p.m. Sorry, right? So I'm gonna shoot off and enjoy the rest of my evening. We will see you again 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, London time for the London Open. And hope you enjoyed it. give us feedback, and be a successful trader, be a profitable trader. And if you can't do it yourself, we've got systems whereby we can do it for you, and do that trading and do that heavy lifting completely for you, right? So take care. Thank
See
you
you
very much,
tomorrow.
Matthias.
8 a.m.
Fabulous. Thank you
UK
so much.
time.
8 a.m. sharp. All right, take care. Bye, Mena.
Bye-bye.
Good night, guys. Bye.
See you.